Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Here I have one goose baby. So I don't know what something happened to the leg. So it was too much dirty and in the sand and in the mud. So I just wash him and just I cover him just to feel him little bit warm, and then I will make him dry on the towel. So then after we will see him. Yeah, good, strong, no problem. Okay. Yes, how are you bird now? How are you good baby? You're good? See, he's replying. He's okay now. Yes. You happy now? You can stand up? Show me you can stand up. You're not able to stand up. What's happening to your leg? What? So as you can see that finally he is able to stand up, because yesterday I had put the turmeric all over his leg and he was not able to stand at all. So during the day, during the night over, he was covered up with the towel. I make him very well, and then morning by this earlier morning, then till noon, he was still feeling, he was not able to stand at all. Now finally he is able to stand and he can walk. So at least it's a good sign. So he's recovered well. So I'm still not putting with them along with his friends. Maybe he will get another injury. So still he is all alone, another place, so no another bird. So